Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be unboxing the Coral Verk. I don't know why I said it like that. But yeah, so I finally got it and I am excited. I hope you are excited. We are finally here with the Coral Verk. I got it in titanium because everything else sold out. I really wanted it in copper. Magnus! Woohoo! If it has Verkk plates, which it does, while they are hard wearing, they may still get scratched with use if debris finds its way between the plates. You will find these don't affect the function of the slider. Okay, yeah, I don't know why I'm reading this. Any whoozleby. Get that out of the way. Yeah. That was necessary. It really was. Ta-da! Collaboration. Kladis3DStudio and Magnus. Verkk Coral Edition. Fidget slider. And then here's the websites for both of them. And then wow, that is holier than church on Sunday. Whoop. My light makes it look pretty darn trippy. Woo. It's got some great grip. Okay. Kind of wish the magnets were a little bit stronger. Kind of really wish the magnets were a little bit stronger. It's cool. It is so grippy. It is. You guys hear of trypophobia? It reminds me of that. It reminds me... Although I've heard that that's not real. It's not a... It's a good thing I didn't get the copper. This thing would be flung all over. It might be too heavy. I don't know what kind of magnets are in here. The strength. You know what would be cool if magnets were printed with the strength that they are? That would be so helpful. Ah! That would be cool and helpful. If they were just manufactured with like N95, N45, N95. That's a mask. N45. Or N52 or, you know, whatever. So these are the other Verks that I have. Hold them up. The other Verks have kind of like more diamond shapes, whereas these are holes, but you know, Magnus made it. There was a reason for it, I'm sure. Ah! Ah! That was kind of cool. Whoa. That's like a new move. Just neat. I like it. It's pretty cool. I just keep like looking at it because it's so trippy with this light. So yeah, these are the other Verks that I have. I am a huge fan of the mini Verk. I love this little thing. Can you imagine Coral Mini? How cool would that be? That's not what we're here for. Ouchies. Oh, so these are the new Zerk plates, aren't they? Oh, what is that? Some kind of debris. It was. What I'm trying to do is find my scale. Piece of foam. So it's about 76 grams. It's pretty heavy for titanium. I mean, my let's see, let me find it. My wrapped is, never mind, that's a lot heavier. I thought it was around the same. So, ha! 76.1. Alrighty then. Does it look sort of brown to you guys? Like the H? Sort of brown cast to it? Trick of the light? Which are about 48 by zoop 30 by 15-ish at the heavy, let's see, 16, 17, 16.1 at the fat part. Ah, ouch. Bit me. So I'd say it's pretty cool. Slightly bitey. Ouch. Got me good. But yeah, I drop it a lot. Pretty neat. I like it. It's interesting. The only other thing that I have from Magnus is the rail. This little guy. I love the rail. I love this. This is a good one. Compare plates. Yeah, the dimples are like bigger, but it looks like they are not as deep. Different plates indeed. Do you like the new plates more, or do you like the old plates more for Magnus? Let me know in the comments. For this, I think... Oh, that was cool. Ouch. I think this review is pretty much done. It's neat. It's cool. Have you guys gotten one? Do you have the copper, the Verkk, or the titanium? And what is your opinion on it? Do you wish that the magnets were stronger? Or am I just being crazy? Keep launching this thing. So yeah, what is your opinion? Let's talk about it in the comments. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day. And if you like this video, please like it, please subscribe. It really helps Whoop. That's so cool. Anyway, yeah, please like this video, please subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great day. I will see you in the next video. Yeah, bye guys, have a good one. See you later.